Hello everyone. Good afternoon. Today is my topic about the William Wordsworth as the poet of nature. We all know about the William Wordsworth as a nature wrote about the most of poem about nature. So first is the introduction and personal information, table of content, and introduction. We know Wordsworth's deep connection to nature in his poetry. His works have had a lasting influence on the development of nature poetry. This main reason William Wordsworth as a poet of nature. Romantic philosophy, nature as a source of inspirations. First introduction in William Wordsworth, one of the central figures of the Romantic movement in English literature, is celebrated for his profound connection to nature. Born in 1770, Wordsworth's poetry reflect an enduring reverence for the nature world, which he viewed as a source of spiritual renewal, creative inspiration, and philosophical wisdom. In contrast to industrialism and rationalism of his time, Wordsworth so to elevate nature to its rightful place as a teacher and guide for humanity. About William Wordsworth. William Wordsworth, born April 7th, 1770, Conconmouth, Cumberland, and he died England, April 23, 1850. Riddlemont Westmoreland was an English poet, was a lyrical ballad 1798, written with Samuel Taylor Coleridge, helped launch the English Romantic movement. We also know about the Samuel Taylor Coleridge. He is a closer friend, and William Wordsworth as a poet of nature. Poet of nature focus on themes and subject related to the natural world. Deep connection to the beauty, power, and wonder of the natural environment. Changing the season in their poetry. Whenever William Wordsworth wrote the poem on season, season also changing the uh, time period. So William Wordsworth wrote changing the season. William Wordsworth is rightly the greatest poet of the countryside and of the life of nature in its all manifestations and beauty of nature. In his poem of nature, he printed beautiful pictures full of the creation by the mighty God, mountains, rocks, rivers, and trees. William Wordsworth wrote about the nature in his poetry, also at the mountain, rocks, rivers, and trees. He feels his movement, and after then he wrote about the nature. All of them revealed the poet's genius love towards the nature, the fervent enthusiasm of pursuing the truth of life, his source of forming such a lyrical style, and the process he expressed his idea in singing highly of the nature. He had the highly of nature in his poem. Uh, Lyrical ballads. We also know about the lyrical ballads. William Wordsworth and Samuel Taylor Coleridge together wrote this poem. published in 1798, published in anonymously without any name. And in this lyrical ballad, 23 poems added by William Wordsworth and Samuel Coleridge, four poem added by Samuel Taylor Coleridge, and 19 poem added by William Wordsworth. Most of wrote poem in this William Wordsworth, and first is the Rhyme of the Ancient Mariner. This poem written by Samuel Taylor Coleridge is the first, and people like more this poem. And second one is William Wordsworth poetry. William Wordsworth poetry include the Tinton Abbey. Tinton Abbey is the most famous poem written by William Wordsworth. William Wordsworth add his feeling when his childhood memory in this Tinton Abbey. And second time he lyrical ballad published 1800. In this time they were include the Lucy poem. They collect five poems collection. In this including the beauty, love, and death. So this is a lyric about the lyrical ballads. Wordsworth on a man, on a nature, and on human life. Uh, Depth of human experience in the poetry of Wordsworth. We know about he include the human life and his experience in his poem. So nature served as a teacher in his poetry. The tablus turned his famous poem directly connect with the human nature and the moral order. So emotionally charged language in poetry of Wordsworth. The purpose of the poet of nature is to describe the natural world. This is the emotionally charged language in poetry of Wordsworth. William Wordsworth is known for his masterful use of emotional. He also used his personal emotion and whatever he feel in his life. Also, he include his experience with emotional. Reflect in his intention of nature in depth. He appealed to the sense of sight, sound, touch, taste, and smell, to create a rich and immersive experience. He also include whatever he feel, like sound, touch, taste, and emotionally language is a create a connection to nature. When we feel anything, after we will wrote about our experience. So also William Wordsworth wrote about his personal experience, whatever he was feel on man, on nature, and on human life. The triple Ferris is a familiar to us all as a theme of Wordsworth West Project poem, The Recluse. It is also, as a shall suggest in this essay, a statement that in its idiosyncrasy becomes a key to unlock much of Wordsworth's secret poetic heart, or to use an idiom more in vogue, a statement in that invite us irresistibly to deconstruct its meaning, a context. uh, this quote is the prelude is most famous work. With the same key I keep locked up in my heart as from the world, What is my own? The prelude work published after his death, and he said about in this quote, he did not want any feeling express anybody, but after his death, his wife published this work, the prelude, and it's published 1805. And conclusion, William Wordsworth stands as the one of the most influenced poets of the Romantic era, and his main motto was the return to nature. And his most famous poem, uh, Daffodils, all about, and he feel, and after then wrote about the daffodils in his find joy and inspirations. So his deep connection to the natural worlds is evident in his poetry, where nature is not just a backdrop but an active spiritual force and shapes human experience. Wordsworth believed that the nature had the power to heal, inspire, and educate, offering solace for troubled souls and the path toward personal growth and enlightenment. His belief in nature's ability to foster the introspections and teach moral lesson resonate deeply with both his contemporaries and later generations. Today, Wordsworth poetry continue to remind us of the profound bond between humanity and nature, encouraging us to pause, reflect, and appreciate the world that sustain us. These are my references, and thank you. If anybody have any question, please ask me.
So, Nikita, my question is, how does Wordsworth depict nature in his poetry?
Nature as a living and influence human mind and soul. His he emphasized the beauty, peace, and healing power. Second.
So, Nikita, my question for you, what role does nature play in Wordsworth poetry?
In Wordsworth poetry serve as a teachers and guide, relieving the uh, deep truth about life. Thank you.